In today's video, I'll teach you how to create OZ Lotteries account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ozlotteries.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of OZ Lotteries. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for login. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the My Account interface of OZ Lotteries. If you already have the account, you can log into your account. But if you need to create the account for yourself, click on this option, create an account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. First of all, what you have to do is enter your email address. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Make sure to enter the valid email address. Now create a password for yourself. Your password must be 10 or more characters with a mix of letters and number. So create the password accordingly. Now enter your first name. Now what you have to do is enter your last name. Now what you have to do is enter the date of birth over here. Click on the field of date of birth. Now first of all, select the day. Likewise, select the month. Now select the year. Make sure to select all these informations according to your ID. Now scroll down. Now you'll have to enter your residential address over here. Click on the field of residential address and enter the residential address over here. Now once you do that, also enter your phone number. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Now after you enter the phone number, scroll down. Now click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So like this you'll be able to create the account. So that is how you create OZ Lotteries account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.